Question number 1. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The sky is blue. Options are A. Sky, B. Is, C. Blue, D. The. The correct answer is blue. Question number 2. Which adjective best completes the sentence? She has a blank bag. Options are A. Carry, B. Carries, C. Beautiful, D. Beauty. The correct answer is beautiful. Question number 3. Which word describes a noun? Options are A. Verb, B. Adjective, C. Preposition, D. Conjunction. The correct answer is adjective. Question number 4. Choose the adjective from the options below. Options are A. Run, B. Quickly, C. Happy, D. Eat. The correct answer is happy. Question number 5. Which sentence contains an adjective? Options are A. Birds fly high, B. The cat sleeps, C. She reads daily, D. The tall tree fell. The correct answer is the tall tree fell. Question number 6. Which adjective shows size? Options are A. Soft, B. Red, C. Big, D. Sweet. The correct answer is big. Question number 7. Select the correct adjective to complete the sentence. It was a blank day. Options are A. Enjoy, B. Enjoying, C. Enjoyable, D. Enjoys. The correct answer is enjoyable. Question number 8. Which word is not an adjective? Options are A. Cold, B. Fast, C. Jump, D. Quiet. The correct answer is jump. Question number 9. Which adjective describes color? Options are A. Round, B. Blue, C. Heavy, D. Long. The correct answer is blue. Question number 10. Which sentence uses an adjective correctly? Options are A. The dog barked loudly, B. She has a smart idea, C. He run quick, D. The flower smelled nicely. The correct answer is She has a smart idea.